Here is the again Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and there is also something exciting stuff that we need to know. Firstly, start with Galaxy S22 Ultra. Here is the S22 Ultra, which looks really cool, as we suppose Galaxy S22 series will launch in 8 Feb 2022. But here are some leaks of S22 Ultra, which has squared of edges and boxy look. The phone has a large Super AMOLED Infinity O display, 6.8 inch 120Hz with thin bezels, S Pen with a built-in slot and USB Type-C port with HDR10 plus stereo speaker and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. This phone features the Exynos 2200 or Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Also, Samsung uses VC soaking plate for heat dissipation. Here are the benchmark scores. There are also some detail of Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Here is the Galaxy S22 screen size, how small it is in the terms of size. S22 Ultra comes with brightest display with 1750 nits. Comes with same S22 Plus as well as S22. S22 Ultra comes with 108 megapixel primary camera that capture high detail with AI powered detail enhancement mode. This is never ever seen before in any phone, with 68 billion color at a 12-bit rate in video mode. 100x zoom performance on S22 Ultra, and Galaxy S22 Plus will max out at 30x zoom. In S22 Ultra, 108 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 210 megapixel telephoto lens, 3x and 10x optical zoom with 40 megapixel selfie shooter. This device is gonna be little bit thicker because of inbuilt S Pen. The amazing part is S22 Ultra, S22 Plus and S22 cases are available in China. This device comes in 4 color: red, green, white and black. Out there 2 more color is Turkish brown and baby pink. To the some rumors, this device powered by 5000 mAh and support up to 45 watts fast charger. And the latest news is in future Samsung may no longer run Android OS but a new operating system called Fuchsia Os that has been developed in Google's lab for a few years. If you haven't heard about it, Fuchsia Os is basically considered as a successor of Android. It's a new operating system that is being developed by Google, which comes in Pixel and Chromebook. Basically better control on the software to give the best software experience to the users. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thanks for your love and support and wish you a very happy new year. Enjoy with your family, friends and do whatever you want to do. Just keep enjoy yourself and keep smiling. This year was not might be good for me, but I learned a lot of things that I really appreciate of that, and now I am really focused on my goals and I hope so next year was good for me. So keep loving, keep supporting. I really appreciate each one of you who subscribed. My basic goal was to complete 100 subscriber before 2020 starts, and it's really near to complete 100 subscriber. But I always thanks to you all that you keep loving and supporting me. Just keep loving, supporting. Peace out.